Globally, barely 3% of people are using Bitcoin. This is only the start. And once more, if you view it from that angle, the fact that we are so early and that digital assets are in such high demand makes perfect sense, especially from an institutional perspective, which is aware of the direction that the digital asset market is truly taking, particularly the radical change that is taking place on a global scale. This, I believe, just increases my optimism about what's actually on the horizon. More enthusiastic and genuinely want you all to realize how early the use of digital assets is. However, welcome back to the Pepo Coin channel, where we will be discussing the XRP family and doing a thorough chart analysis. Please hit the red subscribe button and hit the like button if you're enjoying these updates. However, as the market as a whole turns green on Sunday morning, XRP is up 3.7% and holding strong once more. Things will make a little more sense when I pull out the charts, but for now, the price is moving back up $2.25 and is currently at $2.26, up 3.8% in USD and 3.1% in Bitcoin. The 24-hour trading volume was approximately $2.7 billion, and the market capitalization was $131 billion. Naturally, that is a sight to behold. However, keep in mind that many individuals forget that it's still the weekend. Because CME futures are closed on weekends, we do observe more manipulation than normal, and I'll say it again and again, I believe that's quite significant to remember, particularly when we're examining cryptocurrency pricing on the weekends. However, before we go any further, let me just quickly clarify that nothing on this channel is financial advice. Always conduct your own research and due diligence before making a cryptocurrency investment. Therefore, this week is crucial because the White House will host the first ever crypto summit with the leading CEOs. With one more day, the SEC would have finished all of its cases by Friday, March 7. Once more, there is a lot of conjecture about whether or not you will hear a confirmation of the Ripple case, whether they will dismiss it, or whether there will be significant improvements. Once more, there is still a lot of conjecture going on, but naturally, where will the price of XRP go if that occurs? If that's the case, I believe XRP returns to its all-time highs. Many people tend to forget that XRP is now holding really well, and it won't take long for it to return to levels similar to the annual highs. Naturally, if I were to show you guys right now, from where we are to the all-time high, that would be a 48.63% shift, which again does not appear to be insignificant. And if you're wondering if this is a big step, it is, particularly considering that our project is ranked third in terms of worth in the cryptocurrency market. The announcement of a case drop has been anticipated by the whole cryptocurrency ecosystem, not just XRP fanboys or the Ripple community. Everyone wants this to happen for Ripple, and in my opinion, if that occurs, the price of XRP will approach all-time highs. I believe that demand will increase, particularly the money that is currently being ignored. And I am aware that many people are probably baffled by the question, what do you mean by sidelined money, CryptoZ? Unbelievably, a significant amount of capital remains because people are simply unwilling to deal with XRP. And I'm sure you'll think, well, there are a lot of positive developments coming out. However, other individuals simply dislike that, particularly when a lawsuit is pending. That, in my opinion, would simply attract a significant amount of capital that is currently sitting on the sidelines to XRP. In addition, the excitement move would likely cause XRP's price to rise to all-time highs. Again, though, this is just my personal viewpoint. Naturally, we'll accept it. However, take a look at the state streets, $4.7 trillion in 2025 cryptocurrency estimates. In 2025, a spot ETF will be created for the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Let's now examine which coins are in fact in the top 10. Therefore, if you're looking at the top 10, these are the ones we're seeing right now. Therefore, all of them, of course, except those that are similar to these stablecoins, will acquire one. Naturally, we are aware of the filings for XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, and Cardano, not for Lido or Stake, of course, as you are all aware that there is no rationale to them. Could they all see that, though? Who knows? HBAR is clearly vying for a slot in the top 10, and I believe that might become a reality since it is gaining traction. There will undoubtedly be some quite fascinating moments ahead, but you can see this for yourself. By the end of 2025, digital assets ETFs for Ethereum will overtake those for precious metals, and cryptocurrency ETFs will grow significantly beyond Bitcoin. Such audacious forecasts. Furthermore, a lot of people believe that the bull market is already over. I have posted this on my channel 1,000 times. The market isn't done, in my opinion. On the plus side, February was a very choppy month, therefore I still believe that 2025 will be a year with choppy levels. In a bull market, it's normal to see a lot of unfavorable price momentum. Prior to the market truly picking up speed, you could observe some sideways momentum, and I believe that moment is already upon us. Having stated that, let's examine and evaluate the current state of XRP's pricing in detail. Accordingly, the dominance is still rather significant, currently standing at over 61% in the Bitcoin market. Let's do a live refresh. Bitcoin is currently trading around $85,800 and is still struggling to break clear of the $86,000 mark. I have stated this to you all numerous times before. I do not support this move. It is, of course, thrilling. It still needs to return to the 23.6, even though I'm sure nobody is actually complaining. And based on how dominance is shifting and how Bitcoin has been performing, I continue to have this gut hunch. This is still a dead cat bounce in my opinion. I continue to believe that before we witness a bounce back towards the upside, we will need to retest $73,000. I'd love to be mistaken. It would be fantastic to see Bitcoin return to the 23.6 mark. Naturally, though, it is the area we will be examining in the following week. On the other hand, XRP is looking fantastic, people. Just a few hours ago, it's making its way back up to this $2.30. There is a slight pullback, but that $2.30 is obviously a resistance, so they were having some difficulty breaking out. Still, very nice stuff, very nice price action, especially coming out of this major bloodbath, and it's still holding within the 38.2. People will undoubtedly come out and say things like this and that, but the extra P is still above the $1.92 crucial support line. Naturally, the higher the price of XRP, the better, as there is a greater probability that it will break to all-time highs if this litigation does finish. I will, of course, keep you all informed at every stage. Please share your thoughts with me below. Every single one of you is loved. Guys, what are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed yet, press the red subscribe button